Welcome the Art channel. Today we how to update Airtable syncing for multi-select and attachments, full guide step by step clearly. Open Airtable and navigate to the base you want to update. Locate the table containing the multi-select fields and attachments you want to sync. Click on the sync option at the top of the Airtable interface. Choose the Add a new sync option from the drop-down menu. Select the source table you want to sync from. In the sync settings, find the section for fields to sync. Check the boxes next to your multi-select fields and attachment fields. Ensure that the settings for each field are configured to your preference. Next, look for the button labeled Create Sync Link and click it. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to customize the sync. Select the destination base or table where you wish to transfer the data. Complete any additional configurations as required by your workflow. Once everything is set up, click on the Create button to initiate the sync. Review the sync status to confirm that it has been created successfully. If needed, adjust the frequency of your sync based on how often you want it to update. To confirm functionality, return to the destination table and check that the data has synced correctly. Perform a manual sync if you want to immediately see any changes. After verifying the sync, you can proceed with your work in Airtable. Remember to periodically check your sync settings to ensure they remain aligned with your project needs. Consider documenting your sync configurations for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.